Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to declare a string and use it in our program. So we will call this program how to display a string in C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Your support by watching my videos is greatly appreciated by me. Without you guys, my channel will not grow. I hope that you will continue your support by clicking the like button, sharing, and most importantly by subscribing. If you are new with my channel and then you like this type of videos, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So basically guys, I'm using code blocks as my IDE, and the compiler is GCC. Okay, so here GCC, the compiler that I'm using, it is free, GNU GCC compiler. Okay, so we have here sharp includes stdio.h. It is a library file in C for input output. std means standard, std. io means input output. Int main, it is the starting and ending point of every C program. Begin. Now normally guys, C does not have a string data type, so we will be using character str, and then the size is 100. So to declare a string, equal sign, double quotation, I put a word programming in C, open and close double quotation, close, semicolon, printf, print formatting, %s, str to display, and then we close the main function. Now let us compile and run to see the result. So we have here programming in C. So if I want to change this one, let's see, for example, system programming in C, Control S, go to build and run. So we have here the output, systems programming in C. Now the size is 100. It refers to 100 characters, okay, of our program. Okay, sorry for that. So again, C programming is not very difficult, it may seem. What is important guys, that you know the fundamental concept. So this is the end of our tutorial video about string, how to display a string using C programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my 2 websites. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.